YouTube channel, how to apply USA student visa. So which will be subclass F1. So let's get started. We're gonna go step by step. So step number one, we need to receive the acceptance from a SEBP certified school, which means we need to apply and get acceptance into a US school that is certified by the Students and Exchange Visitor Program. So you need to research a little bit which school you wanna join, which university you wanna join, and then apply to that college and get acceptance from them first of all. That's the very first step to apply as a student visa in United States. After that, you need to receive a form I-20 from the school that you're gonna apply it. So first step is you need to get acceptance from the school, and then you need to get a I-20 from that school. So after you are accepted, the school will issue a form I-20 for the F1 visa. F1 is which is student visa. So this form is certificate of eligibility for non-immigrant student status. So you need this form from that school in order to get visa or apply visa to United States as a student. After that, you need to pay a service fee. You need to visit to this service website. I will ping this one on the description as well. Please go ahead and double check there as well and pay the service I-901 fee. You will need the service ID from your form I-20 to complete this process. So once you get I-20 from school, you need to pay a service fee. So if you go to this website, here is I-901 fee, and then you just click on fee and then just move on from here. You're gonna have a service ID from there, from your school, and then your last name, first name, date of birth, and submit. It will go to the next step in order to pay it. Or you just click it here. So couple of things to remember. You must have a complete and accurate form I-20 if you or DS 2019 2019. If you do not have an I-20 or DS 2019, or if the information on the form is incorrect, contact your school official or program sponsor. So you can just email to the college or move on from there. So do not pay for the dependent children or spouse who is on F2, M2 or J2 visa. There is no I-901 service fee due for the dependent child or spouse for these visa types. You do not have to pay again if you know that you have made a mistake after you submitted your informations. Instead, you can just email to this email informations and explain why did that happen and what information may need to be changed. So it is that easy. So go ahead and do that as well. So we completed step number 3 as well. So at step number 4, we need to complete a non-immigrant visa application, which is called DS-160. So we need to fill out DS-160 form online. We can visit this website and submit it, and keep the confirmation barcode as you will need for the next steps. So the complete video for that one is right here. I have how to apply USA online visitor visa B2 where I have also filled out the complete form for DS-160. You can go and visit this video if you need any informations from there. And then finally submit there and save the barcode after you submit it. And you need to create an account and then move on from there, which is explained detailedly in this video. After this, you need to pay a visa application fee. Visa application fee means visa application fee for DS-160. Once you submitted the form, you will be directed to the page where you need to pay visa fee, or you need to create an account and then you need to go to the bank, or different payment methods are there. You need to pay there, which will be non-refundable visa application fee known as the MRV fee. The payment instructions can be found on the website of the US Embassy or consulate where you will apply. So it depends on different consulate where you're gonna apply the visa from. So please go there and double check there how you gonna, in which consulate you're gonna apply, and it differs from the consulate. So you also need to schedule a visa interview. So after you fill and form at step number 7, you need to now schedule a visa interview. It's not like you just fill out the form and then visa will be there. You need to still go to the step number 7 to schedule a visa interview. Here, visit the website of the US Embassy or consulate in your country to schedule a visa interview. Be sure to check for any specific requirement or procedures at that locations. So you have to make sure everything is in track and everything is proceed according to the consulate. It depends on different places that timing for interview can vary, and you need to double check there as well. Step number 8 is that you need to gather all the document and then finally attend the interview. Prepare the comprehensive set of documents, which will be including, for example, like your passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended period of stay in the USA. So if your passport is expiring soon, please double check that. Form DS-160 confirmation page, and then service fee receipts, Form I-20, admission letter from the SAVP certified school, and your financial evidences, academic transcripts, passport size photographs, meeting a specific requirements, and then finally you need to attend the interview as well. So if this information helps you, feel free to subscribe the channel and have a good one. Hope you get the visa. Thank you very much. Have a good one.